Well, you see that I have the hiccups. Do you know how to get rid of the hiccups? Sure. You never know if you get hiccups. Because it's hard. So, if you like the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.